Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. I just want to show you guys some of my teammates are having progress and having success with the 30-day success formula. So that's what I'm here today to just display really quickly. If this is your first time on this channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload new videos, okay? So that's what I'm here to talk about today, something a little different. So just want to go over to the Facebook group we created and show you some of the people on the team that's getting results. Now, a lot of people that have signed up with us kind of came right before, a week or two right before the sales letter change. So a lot of them are in transition of getting the new PDF. So I expect to see more results and more success as we move forward with this. But I just want to just highlight a few people real quickly just to show you it's just not me that's getting sign-ups with this thing. These people that I'm going to speak on real quickly, they're not even online, guys. That's how I know this works, just with the little information that they've gotten far as the envelopes, places to buy leads, things of that nature. They've taken that information and they're running with it and they're getting results, okay? So they're not online marketers at all and they are having success with this program. So it definitely works. As you know, 30-day success formula actually has products, okay? They have digital products, okay? 7 levels here, but they have digital products. 8 modules, okay, right here. So you actually, depending on what level you come in at, that's what you're buying. You're buying digital products. We're just not signing up people and receiving commissions. You're buying an actual product and the company emails that to you with your welcome email when you join, okay, as you can see right here, okay. So I'm just going to go over to the Facebook group real quick just to show you a few results from some of my teammates, all right. Hang on one second. Okay, right here I want to shout out Christine. Right here, as you can see, she posted a picture of some sign-ups that she received right here. Okay, and we've all congratulated her. I'm just going to thumb through some of these. Another person here, Everton, he keeps getting sign-ups. He and Christine, they're just mailing the letters. That's all they're doing, guys. They're not online marketers and they're having success. And you'll see I keep saying these same names over and over. And there's Christine again. And she says, just got another call from a retired gentleman who wants to come in at level 4. He left a message for the company but has not received a call back. He's very hard. And she called me about this. He's hard to decipher. But this gentleman got her letter. And she's got a special little twist that she does with her mailers that she adds in there. Okay, to get people to call her. Okay, I'm not going to display what that is, but she does have that, and they are calling her like crazy. Okay, and you'll see I've made some notes from some other things in here, but I'm going to go down a little further and show you some more folks. Okay, another Everton again. Okay, he's getting sales, and you see I'm congratulating him and saying what he's doing. He's just mailing the cover letter as we recommended. Okay, with his letter, with his sales letter, and people, he's getting sign-ups. So this is working. It's not just me and people that's online. So let me show you a little further. Okay, here we go again. Christine again, okay? And I stayed here. Progress you're making. She's been mailing her letters. And and I'm just going to tell you, she has been using Wilson. And she is adding her cover letter. And again, she's putting something special in there to make them call her, okay? So let's go down a little bit more here. Okay, there's Reynolds. He's mailing out his letters, okay? So people they're working this business, guys. This works if you work the business, okay? So don't let that hold you back about the letter and how long it is and all those things. You can do postcards. If you join us, we'll give you company I'm using to get the postcards done. You can do postcards and you can drive people to your sales letter. So that's no excuse to stop the program if that's what you're thinking. Keep going, okay? We'll show you where you can get those postcards. But here's Reynolds. Congratulations, Reynolds. He's mailing out Let's go some more. Okay, Micah's mailed out his letters. This is the week that we had to get those letters out, and he mailed them out with the special envelopes. So the team is working. Let's go some further. Okay, William Lloyd, he's putting 100 in the mail right there, guys. The team is working over here. Let's look a little further. Okay, there's Micah. He's got a sign up right there. Okay, let's go a little further. Okay, there's Cameron, where he's mailing out his letters as well, his envelopes. He's mailing out for 30-day right here as well, and he's got some leads coming in. Okay, so we're definitely working, and it's not just me. I have teammates that's working this. Hang on, let's look some more. Okay, and right here, I just want to highlight Mr. Tom Brimley. Right here, he's in L.A., and he's a retired gentleman that doesn't do any online efforts. He and Mr. Everton, they're just mailing, guys. He's out of New York, as you can see, and he's on his 4th sale. All he's doing is mailing these letters, okay? Retired gentlemen don't do anything with online marketing, okay? So this is working, okay? You just have to be patient with this, guys. I know we're in transition, you know, from the 6-page letter to the 12-page letter. That kind of through a hiccup in the process, but nothing has stopped. Everybody's moving forward. Some people are still waiting on their new letter. However, I've showed my team how to go in and edit this letter. I've given them a letter they can edit, and they can get this thing printed out, okay? So you don't have to wait on the company, okay? There's a way to work around that, and just make sure you have everything in box 1 that you should, and box 2 and box 3, so we can get that done. So just wanted to highlight that, guys. It's not about me. It's about me just showing you results from the team that they're getting. We give you the tools you need. You just got to put the work in, and that's just mailing. And like I said, I'm more than happy to show people how you can get your postcard done. And do postcards if you want to balance it out with postcards and then some letters, or let the company do the mailing for you guys. So we're not stopping. Nothing is stopping here. We're full forward, speed ahead. It just was a little hiccup with the backlog of the 200 letters going out. They're back on track, and they're going to get that going forward. And I highly recommend everybody to just stay encouraged. And focus on why you joined. There's a reason why you joined, so continue that. Keep pushing, keep going forward, okay? And if you join me in 30-Day Success Formula, I do have leads I'm giving away to people that come in at level 2 or higher, okay? So get with me on that. But until next time, guys, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like the video, click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. You guys have a blessed day.